In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise tent rentals on Facebook Marketplace. First, if you haven't already, navigate to Facebook and log into your account. Once you're there, click on the Marketplace icon. You'll find this on the left side of your screen, and it's where we'll be creating your listing. Now, click on the option to create a new listing. You should see a button labeled Create New Listing. Go ahead and click that. Next, choose Item for Sale from the options presented. This selection is important because we're listing a rental service rather than selling a physical product forever. Next up, a crucial step, adding clear photos of your tents. High quality images are vital, so make sure you have photos of your tents fully set up. Outdoor shots work well for real-world context. Also consider supplementary detail shots showing the inside, the tent poles, or any additional features like lighting or flooring. Once your photos are ready, move on to adding a compelling title. Your title needs to be catchy and informative, something like tent rentals for parties, weddings, and events, affordable rates, or perhaps 20x40 tent rental plus delivery and setup included. This makes the listing both clear and enticing for potential renters. Moving forward, now set your price. Enter your base rental price, maybe it's $100 a day for instance. You can explain any additional costs or extras such as delivery or setup fees further down in the description. Continuing, select a suitable category for your listing. Entertainment under party supplies is ideal if available. Otherwise, outdoor furniture in home and garden is a good alternative. Setting the right category helps your listing appear in the right searches. Next is the condition. Choose a condition that reflects your tents accurately. Most likely, choosing used like new or new would apply to rental items. Then get ready to put together a detailed description. Here, you're painting a picture of what potential customers can expect. Mention different tent sizes, guest capacity, rent per day, and any additional services like setup, takedown, or extra rentals. Remember, a well-crafted description isn't just informative but persuasive too. Once your description is set, think about promotion. You might want to consider boosting your listing to reach a wider audience. After this, don't forget to add relevant tags like tent rental or event tent. Tags increase the visibility of your listing on Marketplace. Lastly, select your location. This should be wherever you offer services so your listing reaches the appropriate local audience. Finally, review everything and hit next. To publish your listing, a few clicks and your ad is live, waiting for event planners, engaged couples, and party hosts to discover your tent. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps kickstart your Facebook Marketplace journey with tent rentals.